Clogged gutters are scary. Clogged gutters are messy. Are you tired of dealing with clogged gutters? Then call 833 LeafFilter today.
And never clean out clogged gutters again.
LeafFilter's technology protects your gutters for good.
We were tired of cleaning out our gutters every few months.
And I wanted him off that ladder.
We called LeafFilter to protect our single biggest investment.
I went to LeafFilter.com to learn about the technology. I wanted to see how it works.
LeafFilter's patented system fits on top of your existing gutters, protecting your home with the technology of the future while making clogged gutters a thing of the past. And you get a warranty that says so.
LeafFilter's product, installation, and professionalism were a complete home run.
I like the warranty side of it. No clogs means our home is safe.
At LeafFilter, we couldn't agree more. Call us today and never climb a ladder to clean out your gutters again.
And clogged gutters for good. Call 833 LeafFilter or visit LeafFilter.com today.